Hi guys, in this class we will discuss about a on-page SEO techniques. What are the SEO techniques that are related to your on-site page? So these are the techniques I will share with you. You have to follow their techniques if you want to improve your website performance. So as you know that we are starting a SEO lectures. These are 10 lecture in which I will show about SEO basics. Just introduction. If you want to learn complete SEO, you can purchase any course from Udemy or any other source. But in this course I will show you about SEO basics introduction in 10 lecture. So on page SEO techniques we are discussing, one of them is relevant keywords. So you have to target a keywords that is relevant to your website content. For example, your website is about a web designing. Then what you have to do, you have to select a keyword that are related to your website content, like HTML learning, website creating, how to design a website, CSS tutorials. So these are the keywords are relevant to your website content. So you have to target or you have to select keywords that are related relevant to your website content. So other is title tag and meta description. So you have to provide a description about your web page, and you have to provide a title means title tag that we have learned in the HTML course. You have to provide a title attribute for every web page. So that title should be relevant and include your keyword in the title. So when you want to provide a description, about description we have discussed in the head part in the HTML course. You have to provide a description about your web page, individual web page or a complete website. That description should be relevant and include your keywords in that description. So create user friendly content. So you have to create a content in such a way that user able to understand your content easily. Optimize images. If you want to insert image in your website or web page on or in another article, you have to optimize that image. Optimize means you have to include a alt attribute. In the alt attribute you have to include your target keyword. And then optimize URLs. If you want to create a URL for your web page, URL means your file name. Your file name should be have a proper structure or a proper keywords. Internal linking means you have to link one page to another web page that is a relevant. For example, this is your a web page and this is a another web page. So this is web page about a HTML, sorry, and this web page is about a web designing. So in the web designing page, if you are discussing about a HTML and if you are introducing a HTML, you have to create a link for a HTML internally to this web page. So this is the internal linking. This is very important and you have to do if you want to improve your SEO performance. So other is responsive web designing. You have to create a website responsively. It means every device should be able to open your website properly. So that is a very good one, and you have to follow these techniques if you want to improve your on-page SEO. So meet in other class in which we will discuss about the off-page SEO techniques. If you have any question, any problem, you can discuss with me without any hesitation. Thank you.